We no go gree. We no go gree. We no go gree.
Now shut up. That strike will strike all of you now.
We are members of a Nigeria movie makers.
Okay.
See, Chairman,
Okay.
we have a membership strength of over 2 million around Nigeria, around the 36 states.
Exactly.
That is good.
I want to support you, Chairman.
Our support is for you.
When you do support and you do like this, I know nothing goes for nothing.
You say so. You know
Not too much.
Sniper.
Sir.
For the movie people, entertainers, give them 20
too
million.
much. You see the follow.
You can go see Sniper.
Chairman.
Mobilize your members, eh?
Serve our members.
Honorable. Hey, I greet you. Sagacious. Honorable Wacho.
Let me quickly go straight to the point.
Continue.
I'm the president of the Elders with PVC Association.
Oh, that's good.
Now my share now I can collect to mobilize the old people.
70 years old man.
Sniper. Give Papa 8 million to share for his group.
Honorable, may you live long.
Leader, the past leader. Honorable na super.
Of the greatest Nigerian students. Greatest of the Honorable, I am Comrade Victory Akungowa, representing the University Student Forum. And with me I am Comrade Uwaifeku, representing the Polytechnic Student Forum. Yes, sir. And we are here to show our support to you, Honorable.
I know why you are here.
Yes, sir.
We all know why you people are here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
During election, we know what to do.
Yeah.
Sniper.
Sir.
You know students are much.
Yes.
Give them 20 million.
Oh! That's the Honorable!
No.
Honorable!
Follow him.
Oh! Honorable! The the chair! Our leader! Able leader!
It's okay. These are my men.
Yes.
These are my rugged men. I know why you are here. Sniper.
Sir.
I better give them the full Ghana must go. Give them the full Ghana must go. They will shoot Ghana.
Honorable!
These are the armed forces, the democratic armed forces that will do it. Ta.
Well, I'm the leader of the consigned Ashawo in politics. Don't worry. We'll give you like 1 million votes from here in Lekki and even in Benin.
So Ashawo in Nigeria is more than 1 million.
We got your back. Don't worry.
Plus or minus 3 million.
Everything. Don't worry. We're solidly behind you.
Ashawo got my back.
Capacity, all of them.
This is interesting.
We're always for you.
Yeah. You can. You will not go today. Yeah, you need to prove a point. Take her to the abattoir. And give her 5 million when she's going for the Ashawos. This is interesting.
We no go gree. We no go gree. We no go gree. We no go gree.
We're going to scatter everything.
What is ragamuffins?
We're going to scatter everything. They suffered too much.
Honorable, you don't recognize us? We are members of Nigeria movie makers. You promised us an entertainment village.
And I also remember me giving you guys 20 million naira. The filmmakers and otherwise. Now listen to me. You guys will remain the way you are. Listen to me. The 20 million I gave to you guys should go and use it to build entertainment village in your mother's village. If I hear pen, hey, turn them out of here.
Sir, we are not happy. We are not happy. On behalf of the university students, we are angry.
Keep quiet.
Sir, we are quiet. No, sir, we are not quiet. Keep quiet. See, we have been on strike for over 6 months. Yes. Our students are at home rotting away. You promised us something and you are doing the other thing, sir.
Now shut up. That strike will strike all of you now.
No problem.
That strike will strike you. Will strike you. You don't know students will be on strike when you came to my house to collect.
Sir, this was not the promise. This was not the promise.
Take them. Get
Sir,
out.
this was not the promise. You promised us. Sir.
But you now stop to collect money for politicians through election. So I be mumu.
But that was the plan.
What is the plan? That you came to my house to collect 50 million naira in election. Shut up. What's the keep quiet? I have banned Ashawo.
Honorable, the thing that you promised us, I'm tired of it. Don't deliver you.
And I deliver your money to you too.
Oh, it's not money. I will voted you in.
I paid for the vote.
Oh, you are honorable point of correction. Oh, you did not pay. Oh.
I paid.
You did not pay.
I
You
gave
dash
you
me
20
money.
million.
It's 8 million you dash us.
I gave you 20 million.
Honorable, were you not here? It's 8 million you dash us.
See, listen to me. You will continue in poverty, in pain, and in penury. I have paid you. I have settled the people. All the money I spent was 30 billion naira. I have to recover my money. Then we do plus or minus. For now, I'm still recovering my money.
But I don't know why politicians are so greedy and tricky.
You people will remain in pain.
You people are so greedy and tricky.
You people, the followers, are so greedy and tricky.
No, you say you love me. That's why you dash me.
No, you said you love me. That's why you wanted to vote for me.
I don't love you.
I don't love you too.
I wanted you to take care of this country.
The people are the cause of the problem.
You are the cause.
It is the people.
You are the
You
cause.
are the cause of the problem.
Okay, how do you want me to
collected money from me. Some of my family are hungry.
No, it's not about taking money. You today hurry. We are just shouting. Political arguments. You understand, so? Honorable Lao, please, I beg, you know, say me na old person. 8 million will you give me that kind of finish. Even now, na trek me there for protest. You understand, so? Honorable, if na 5,000, I beg, me I change jacket. Lao.
Affliction shall not arise the second time. Thank you, Papa. I will be your burial.
Honorable, I go swear for you.
I will bury you.
I go swear for you.
I will come to your burial.
Honorable, I go.
I spent 30 billion naira in this election, and the people collected it from me. For now, there's no development for them. 2023 elections are here again. Collect money from us, we will also not work for you. Heaven will not fall. And even if heaven decides to fall, it will fall on the taller ones first. Thank God I'm even short.